here, kitty. Oh, you're so cute. Hey, where are you going? Wait! Gotcha, you almost fell in. Emma's honey, it's okay, Kitty. I got you. You're so cute, Kitty. Oh no, what's wrong? Kitty pig act? I'll get you help. Oh, Kitty, are you okay? Shh, it's okay. I'll get you up. There we go. Good, Kitty. We have to go now! It's okay, Kitty. I've got you. We're safe in here, man. Don't be scared. Kitty, what's wrong? Breathe, Kitty. Please breathe. Wake up. Don't leave me. No, breathe. Let me please breathe. Come on, breathe for me. No. Oh, please. No, please. Don't take Matt. We have to. We'll take good care of him. Okay, please hurry.
He's in good hands now. Let's get him inside quickly.
Right, the oxygen is ready.
He's struggling to breathe.
Hold his head steady.
It's on. He's stabilizing. Okay, breathe for me. That's it. Monitor's beeping irregularly. Hang in there, buddy. Just a little longer. You're doing great. Easy there. I've got you. Just checking your breathing. You're safe.
Please be okay, Kitty. I should have been more careful.
He's critical. Your cat is stable. The machines are helping.
But why is it still beeping?
That's normal. It means the treatment is working.
When can I take him home?
Soon. He's getting stronger.
I hope so. What's happening? Noah, her heart rate.
I'm here. Let me see.
Please help her. Oh, hi, little one. You're awake. Shh, it's okay. I'm here, Mommy. You're such a brave little kitty. 1 week later, he takes his first steady steps. Come on, little one. You can do it. Yay! Good job. Ready, kitty? Go get the ball. Chase it. Good job, kitty.
He was 30 minutes from death. Now he has a lifetime of love.